Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Today, we are going to draw a very cute Roblox character together. Our drawing story begins with a clean, empty panel. Nothing is here yet, but that is where every fun character starts. Get ready, because we are going to build a happy block person step by step. First, draw a rounded square near the top. This will become the character's head. Add two little oval eyes and a big friendly smile, so our new friend already looks cheerful. Now place a large rectangle under the smiling head. This rectangle is the body. Keep the lines simple and straight, like a toy made from soft blocks. Let's add one arm on the left side of the body. Draw it like a tall, rounded rectangle, attached neatly to the shoulder. Our block friend is starting to take shape. Now add the other arm on the right side. Make it match the first arm so both sides feel balanced. The character looks ready to wave hello. Clean up the head, body, and both arms together. Keep the smile big and kind. This is a good time to make the block shapes look even and easy to see. Next, start the legs. Draw one rectangular leg under the body. Keep it straight and simple, like another little block connected at the bottom. Add the second leg beside the first one. Now the character can stand tall. Make sure both legs are about the same size and lined up neatly. Look at the full outline so far. We have a smiling head, a square body, two arms, and two legs. Our block friend is almost ready for the final details. Now refine the edges around the arms and body. Make the corners clean, but not too sharp. The character should still feel friendly and simple for kids to draw. Check the legs again and make them neat. The feet are not separate here, so the two blocky legs should sit nicely under the body like sturdy pillars. Strengthen the face by keeping the two eyes dark and the smile bold. A happy face makes the whole drawing feel warm and playful. Trace around the entire character one more time in your imagination. The head, arms, body, and legs should all look like simple building blocks. This panel shows the nearly finished black and white drawing. Before we color, make sure every outline is complete and the character is centered in the panel. Here is the finished line drawing. Keep it black and white for now, with no color yet. The smile, body, arms, and legs are all ready for the final step. Now it is time for color. Fill the head and arms with bright yellow, the body with blue, and the legs with green. Our happy block character is complete.
Job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!